In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create aliases in Git so you can navigate folders more easily. Let's get started. Go to your dogies first. Program Files, Git, etc. Profile D. Aliases. Below we list our aliases. As a guide, copy this code. Name your alias. Enter your command here. Whenever I enter my alias, the command will be executed automatically. With one command, we were able to quickly navigate to our folder, which reduced the hassle. Thank you for watching.